Good morning Year 6 and welcome to Friday's maths video. You've made it for the week. So today we are going to continue to learn to convert ratios into fractions. As always, pause the video and have a go. So we've got 4,180, 86.727, 527, 9/14 and 1,800. That is right, because that would convert to 10/14. I did check it, because they keep being wrong. So, Ron plants flowers in a flower bed. For every 2 red roses, he plants 5 white roses. He says 2/5 of the roses are red. Is he correct? Now, you might notice though that we've launched straight into daily challenge rather than examples. That's because we went through so many together yesterday. I don't think we need to go through them again. However, if you're really struggling, maybe go back and watch bits of yesterday's video. So this is your first challenge. Then you've got, there are some red and green cubes in a bag. 2/5 of the cubes are red. True or false? For every 2 red cubes, there are 5 green cubes. For every 2 red cubes, there are 3 green cubes. For every 3 green cubes, there are 2 red cubes. And for every 3 green cubes, there are 5 red cubes. So there are some red and green cubes in a bag. 2/5 of the cubes are red. See if you can work out which one's true. Which of the following statements match the image? So this is your image. Which of these match? 3/9 of the fruits are lemons. There are 3 satsumas for every 4 strawberries. And there are 11 items in total. Then your picture is the one with the carrots and stuff. So then A, there are 9 items in total. B, 4/10 of the items are carrots. And C, there is 1 tomato for every onion. So the answers. Ron plants flowers in a flower bed. For every 2 red roses, he plants 5 white roses. He says that 2/5 of the roses are red. Is he correct? Ron is incorrect because the actual fraction is 2/7 of the roses are red because he has mistaken part for the whole. So if you've got 2 red and 5 white, you've actually got 7 roses in total and 2 out of the 7 are red. Whereas he says 2 out of the 5 are red, but the 5 is in relation to white roses. So there are 7 roses in total. Then, for every 2 red cubes, there are 5 green cubes. That is wrong, because again, they've misunderstood. For every 2 red cubes, there are 3 green cubes is true, because there are 5 in total. And we know that because our numerator is 5. Up here, they said for every 2 red cubes, there are 5 green cubes, but that would mean there were 7 parts in total, and then it would be 2/7. Whereas here, we know that 2 red cubes and 3 red cubes make 5 parts in total, so it is 2/5. Then, for every 3 green cubes, there are 2 red cubes. That is right. We know that 2/5 are red, and that would mean 3/5 are green, and that means there's 2 parts are red and 3 parts are green. For every 3 green cubes, there are 5 red cubes. Well, that is wrong. It's the same as why this one is false. It would be 3/7 if this was right. So it's wrong, false. Then, which of the following statements are correct? So B, there are 3 satsumas for every 4 strawberries. And you can see that we've got 3 satsumas here for every 4 strawberries here. 3/9 of the fruit are lemons. So there are 3, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts in total. So it would be 3/10, not 3/9. If there was 1 less strawberry, it would be correct, but there's not. There are 11 items in total. Well, we've just calculated there are 10. Over here, A, because there are 4 carrots, 2 tomatoes and 3 onions, so 9 in total. Again, this can't be right because we've just figured there's 9 in total, so you can't have 4/10. And there is 1 tomato for every onion. Well, we've got 2 tomatoes and 3 onions, so that can't be right. Well done. You've made it to the end of the week. Remember, there's stuff on Classroom Secrets if you wanted to do a little bit more. But keep up the great work and I'll see you next week for more. Goodbye.